Good morning, friends. Happy Wednesday. The first thing we need to do is get out our CJs. We are on Wednesday, September 23rd. We will go to the first section, which is math, and we will write lesson 33. We are on lesson 33 today, Wednesday. And while you are finishing that, I will move over to our calendar. And if you can have your eyes on the calendar, yesterday was Tuesday, September 22nd, 2020. It was a circle pattern. Today we will have a square, and it is Wednesday, September 23rd, 2020. Let's say that together. Wednesday, September 23rd, 2020. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday, and tomorrow will be Thursday. Let's write today's date on our date tag. It is still September with a capital S because it is a proper noun. E, he, T, E, M, B, E, R, 23 for the 23rd, comma, 2, 0, 2, 0 for 2020. And yesterday, we had been in school for 34 days. We have 3 groups of 10 linking cubes and 1 group of 4. We will add 1 more for today. So we have 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 groups of 10 and 1 group of 5. So if we go over to our days in school, we have 3 groups of 10 and 5 ones. And we will get our number 35 for our number line. And I will put it up. Are we ready for our days of the week? Ready? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Good job, friends. And as I am looking outside, I see that it is sunny. So I will put a sunny tag on our weather chart. And our first row is full. So I will start another row here. So we have had 11 sunny days. This is a group of 10. And 1 more is 11. And 1 cloudy day. Are we ready for our months of the year song? Ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. And our clock is on morning. And as we go down to our new tag that we started this week, our number pattern today starts with 5. We are still counting by ones. We have 5, 6, 7. Obviously, next is 8. And then we have 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And our next number is 10. So we have counted by ones, starting with 5 today. We will move over to our hundreds chart. And today we are going to start with number 55, and we are going to count to 80. 55 to 80. Ready? Eyes on our chart. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Great job, friends. Okay. We will practice our doubles facts. We are becoming experts at doubles facts. Let me mix them up a little bit. Ready? 7 plus 7 equals 7. 3 plus 3 equals 3. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 10 plus 10 equals 20. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 9 plus 9 equals 18. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 8 plus 8 equals 16. And 0 plus 0 equals 0. Good job, friends. If you go to your class fact practice 33A in your Saxton workbook, we will, of course, go over the first 2 rows together, and then you will get to do the last 2 rows on your own. So if you look at the first row, the first problem says 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. The next one, 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Next, 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Next, 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 equals 18. And the last problem on that row is 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. And then we will move to the second row. The second row, the first problem is 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Next is 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 equals 14. The next one is 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Next, 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. And the last problem in that row is 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. You may go ahead and finish the last 2 rows on your own. And then, if you flip it over, you will see 33B, and that is your homework page for tonight. We have been talking about addition recently. Today, we are going to talk about takeaway, subtraction, or sum leaving. So, for example, if I have a group of 4, I have 4 linking cubes, and one went away, or I took one away, I will then have a group of 3. When we write the problem, it will look like this. I started with 4. Our subtraction sign looks like this. I took away 1. We all know our equal sign, and that equals 3. So again, 4, use your subtraction sign, minus 1 equals 3. Let's do another one with our linking cubes. And I will start with 5 this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I will say that 2 went away. So I will take off 2. And I have 1, 2, 3 left. So in order to write that, I started with 5. I will write my number 5. I will use my, you can't see that. I will use my subtraction sign, which is the straight line. I took away 2, and I have 3 left over. Let's practice one more time. This time, I am going to start with 2. I will take 1 away, and so I have 1 left. So that problem will look like this. 2 minus 1 equals 1. There we go. So for subtraction or takeaway, we are just using a different sign than our addition sign. Do you see how that works? Okay. Great job, friends. We will be practicing that in the next couple of days. Let's move to our practice page for today. Which at the top says 33A. Guided class practice, 33A. And at the top, you will always find your name. The first thing I do is always the same. I pick up my pencil and write my name. Yesterday, we practiced the number 29. Today, we are on 30. We will trace the number 30 and then write the number 30 one more time. Let's trace with our pointer finger first, our 3. We start just below the top line and curve around to the right, ending at the midline, and curve around again, touching the baseline and up just a little. And our 0 starts at the top, curves around, touches the baseline, and closes up at the top. Let's practice tracing that. Our 3 touches the top, touches the midline, and touches the baseline. And our 0 touches the top, touches the baseline, and closes at the top. Always making sure we close our zeros so they don't look like U's. And now you have a chance to practice on your own. Your 3, make sure you touch the top, mid, and baseline. And your 0, touches the top and the baseline. Okay, number 2, Marnie put 4 crayons and 2 books on her desk. 1 crayon rolled off the desk. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show the number of crayons on her desk now. Now, the question's talking about crayons, but over here, they talked about books. That's what we call extra information, and we don't need to do that. So we're going to not think about the books. We are only going to talk about the crayons. She had 4 crayons, so we will draw 4 crayons. I'm just going to draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 crayon rolled off the desk. Now, if it rolled off the desk, we don't have it anymore. It went away. So we will cross 1 crayon out. So our number sentence says 4. That's how many we had at the beginning. 1 went away or rolled off the desk. We are going to use our new sign, which is subtraction. 1 rolled off, so we will write the number 1 equals, we have 3 now. So our number sentence says 4 minus 1 equals 3. How many crayons are on the desk now? 3 crayons. Number 3, draw different ways to show 10 apple seeds. These are all addition problems. So there are many ways to show 10. The first one I'm going to do is our doubles fact because we know that. And we know that 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. I also know that 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus 0 equals 10. So we can have 10 plus 0 equals 10. Now I need to think of another way. I also know that 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1 equals 10. There are a lot of other ways. We can also say 4 plus 6 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. And 8 plus 2 equals 10. You do not have to write all of these ways. I just need 3 down here. And yours down here might be different from mine. You might use some of these problems. So we have 3 number sentences and they all equal 10. Number 4, circle the one that is different. So if I look at all of the circles here, I notice that there's an X and a dot in 2 of the pieces, but this first one, the X is on the left and the dot is on the right. On these 3, the dot is on the left and the X is on the right. So the first one is different. I will write a big X through the first one. And number 5, write the answers. We have a few doubles problems. 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 plus 3 is 6. 5 plus 5 is 10. 7 plus 7 is 14. And 9 plus 9 is 18. So your paper should look like this. We're on lesson 33A. And if you turn that paper over, you should have 33B, which is your homework for tonight. And you will turn that in to Miss Shaheen on Friday with your doubles fact page. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a nice afternoon.